This is the Epson Perfection V850 Pro. You can use this flatbed scanner with photos and documents, slides, negatives, and film up to large format 8x10. It is great for delicate items. For large batches of photos, we recommend using the auto feeder scanner. To scan photos and documents, place your media face down on the document table. When scanning multiple photos at once, make sure there is about ½ inch between each photo. Close the scanner, then press the blue Scan button to begin scanning. The Epson Scan software will launch automatically on the Digital Legacy Lab PC. Click the Scan button. The flatbed will now scan your photos. To scan film strips, slides, and film, first remove the document mat from the scanner cover to expose the light unit. To scan slides, first place the slide holder onto the scanner, lining up the white triangles on the right side of the holder with the bed. Now place each slide into a spot, shiny side down. You can scan up to 12 slides at once. When you are ready, close the scanner, then press the blue Scan button to begin scanning. The software will launch automatically on the PC, and you can press Scan on the software to begin scanning. To scan film strips, first remove the document mat from the scanner cover to expose the light unit. Flip over the film holder, then lift up the top layer. Insert the film, then lock the top layer by pressing firmly. Turn the film holder back over, then attach it to the scanner by lining up the white triangles on the right side. When you are ready, close the scanner, then press the Scan button. The software will launch and you can begin scanning. When you are finished, you can view and edit your images in File Explorer under Pictures. Double-click on the file to open, and you can navigate using the arrow buttons. You can also rotate your image directly in the viewer. For more editing options, select the Edit button. From here, you can flip the image horizontally or vertically, or do more edits such as brightness, exposure, or contrast. You can also use an image editing program available in the Digital Legacy Lab, such as Adobe Photoshop or GIMP. Do not forget to save your edits by selecting Save Options and then Save or Save a Copy. To rename your files, click on the file, then select the Rename option in the toolbar. This will help you keep track of your files later. To save your images, click and drag the files onto your USB device. You can move files one at a time or all at once. Select your USB device to confirm that the files have transferred. When you are done, do not forget to eject your USB device and to replace the document mat if you were scanning slides and negatives.